Hey everyone! Let me show you how to upload 360 videos to YouTube. The first thing I'd like to focus on is the dimension of your video. A 360-degree video contains more visual information than a regular video. Therefore, if you want your video to be clear and not blurry, you need to upload it with a resolution of at least 4K. On YouTube, the icon indicating the resolution of the video can be seen here. It could be 4K or even 8K. On Windows, to check the resolution of your video, do the following. Right-click on the file, Properties, Details, and here you'll find the dimensions. So, let's upload a 360 video to YouTube. This process is no different from uploading a regular video to YouTube. Whether you're uploading from a smartphone or a computer, you have many ways to do this. For example, you can use this button and simply drag and drop your video here. Write a title, write a description, upload a thumbnail, add it to a playlist if you want, then click next and complete the final steps. Basically, you do all the same things you would do with a regular video, and YouTube itself recognizes your video as a 360-degree video.